Hi everyone, this is Mr. Nook. Today I will show you a platform called Instad.io. This will allow you to convert your infographics, visualization diagrams from uh, a vector file to a normal hand-drawn one, and you can make it as rough as you can. So instead of giving your presentation a digital feeling, you can make it look like you have hand-drawn it with a retro style feeling. So that is what this tool is used for. So this is your original and you can make it look like this. Interesting tool. So as you can see here, this is one article. So you can make it as retro as you can do and make it look like it's drawn by hand. So if you have a project, you can um, do that first in a digital tool, then change it using this tool and make it look like you have hand drawn it and give it a retro look. So let me try it out. You can log in with Google or Facebook, that's what they say. So now let me go and choose two files. So one is an image. Yep. So now this is an image that I have put in. So I can make it with different colors. So colors and fills. I can make it as if it's looking like a paper drawing. This is chalk and black bold effect. So let me try another one. This one, yeah. So I have put this here. Let me go to the color and see how I can change it. There are various options available here using which you can change. So as of now I am just doing with the black and white version of it for some reason. Now this is a chalkboard effect. So let me see, thick pencil, pencil and fill, color, that's what I want, colors and fill too. Okay, so this is a useful tool. I hope this is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.